guys, welcome to my beauty channel. Today I'm coming with my first makeup tutorial. In this video I'm going to present makeup with pinkish greenish eyes and elongated eyeliner. I think the most suitable for blue eyes, so guys, if you are interested, please keep on watching. First I would like to apologize for my bad English, please be understanding, I'll do my best. I've already prepared my face using Origins Ginseng Moisturizer. As my foundation today I decided to use Wet n White Photo Focus foundation, but I have it in golden beige and it's too dark for me. So I mixed it with mattifying drops in lighter shade from Eveline Cosmetics, which shouldn't change the formula of Wet n White foundation much, and I'm blending it in with my Real Technique sponge. To cover dark circles under my eyes, I'm going to use Full Cover Camouflage by Makeup Forever, and I'm blending it in using small beauty blender. I'm not sure if there is any camouflage in the world that could handle my horrible cycles. As my eyelids primer, I'm going to use Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I have it in shade Light Sand. I'm using this brush from Maybelline Concealer just to distribute the product on my eyelids, because this big applicator from Tarte Concealer isn't suitable for this purpose at all. I powdered my whole face with RCMA No Color Powder, and next I'm contouring under my cheekbones a little bit using the contouring powder, which has very cool shade and is produced by Polish company Bell Cosmetics. It's great for this purpose, but rather it won't be suitable for warming the complexion. This is a highlighter that I just had around and used it. This is very cheap product, generally available in Poland. It doesn't cost more than $4, I think. I will try to put all links to products down below in the description box. Now I'm trying to cover again my annoying pigmentation spot, which I got many years ago after my foolish sunbathing. I've been using some products with retinol for a few years, but they have no impact on it. I don't know, maybe I should start using products with some acids. What do you think, guys? Maybe you can recommend something. As a transition shade, I'm going to use Eden Shadow from Huda Beauty Desert Dusk Palette, and I'm gonna blend it out using Fluffy Brush. Now I'm blending this shade with another clean fluffy brush, adding it and blending again. Here I'm gonna emphasize my crease with pink matte eyeshadow from Mercure. It's Polish company producing professional makeup products. And I'm blending it out to avoid any harsh lines. Next I'm adding more pink, or rather pinkish purple shade from Morphe There to Create palette. Its name is Create. And I'm blending it out. Here, to give my eyes more definition, I also used the darker shade from this palette called Slice, and I applied it into my outer corner with more precise brush, and I'm blending it out. Next, I'm gonna darken my upper waterline with eyeliner so as to make my false lashes less visible. Here I decided to make a half-cut crease to increase the contrast and used Tarte Shape Tape Concealer for this purpose. Next, elongated eyeliner with Kat Von D ink liner. I'm curious if this version called Tattoo is just as good as this one, or maybe this even better. Let me know if you guys have experience with both of them. On my lower eyelids, I applied shade called Inspire from Morphe Dare to Create palette and blended it out with Define Me shade, also from this palette. And then I decided to deepen this green color using gel eyeliner pencil from Avon in shade Tropical Teal. And now lashes. I used to put my false lashes, dividing them into several parts. Thanks to this, I can't feel them on my eyelids at all, and in my opinion they are less visible then. As a matter of fact, it is much more time consuming than applying the whole stripe, of course, but I've been doing this for long enough and I have practice. In this film I used Ardell Wispies number 113. Now I'm trying to hide the connection between my false lashes and the lash line using for this purpose more liquid liner. It's Manhattan here. Next I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes. It is 2000 calories by Max Factor. For lips, I chose only lip pencil in some pink brown color. It's almost over and I have to buy it again. It is also produced by Polish company named Lovely and it comes together with matte liquid lipstick and is certainly inspired by Kylie Lip Kit. However, I must admit its quality is very high. I didn't use the liquid lipstick from this kit in this video. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of matte liquid lipsticks. And lastly, I'm removing the excess of powder from my under cheekbones area after baking and setting the whole face with Glam Glow Glow Setter Spray. And that's it! It's the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going to add some next tutorials soon, so if you are interested, please stay tuned. Bye! And see you in my next video.